Good morning, students. Do you still remember our mathematics project mission in this term? Yes. The mission is you should find the information or the data about problems that can happen during SBIR. How do we get the data? To get the data, we can do survey. What is survey? Survey is an information that answers the question. We can use tally chart or frequency table to record the data. Now, I'm going to try to explain you how you use online survey. For example, we will use Google Form. First of all, I need you to open your Mathematics Project Term 2 in your Google Classroom. If your document is already opened, please click Insert and then you click Form. And then you will be redirected to Google Form. Mathematics Project Term 2 is the title of your project, is the title of your survey. Question is the list of questions that you want to ask. Responses is the data of your respondent who respond your survey. Now, let's go here. Untitled question is the place to type your question. If you drag your mouse to the right side, there are many types of the answer that you want. For example, if you want the answer in sentence or paraphrase, you can choose short answer or paragraph. If you want to provide the choice for your respondent, you can use multiple choice. Linear scale is usually used to find the frequency. Now, let's try. For example, I want to type my question is, do you like to lead join Jimmy? Okay. Because the answer is yes or no or sometimes, so I will choose multiple choice for the answers. And if you see here, if you notice here, there are suggestions about the answer. Yes, no, maybe. So you can choose at all if it is suitable for your choice. Then, if you think that maybe it's not related to your question, you may change it or you may retype it with your expected answer. To avoid the respondent skip the question, I suggest you to turn on the required. Okay. In Google Form, we can do continuous question. If you want to do continuous question, you may click here, the three button next to required. Look here, we have description, go to section based on answer, or shuffle option order. If you want to do continuous question, so you may click go to section based on the answer. If the respondent is answering yes, so the respondent will go to the next section. If the respondent answer no, so you can choose submit form. If the respondent answers sometimes, you can choose continue to the next section. How do we add the section? You may go to the right icon here. We have add question, import question, add title and description, add image, add video, And the last one is add section. So you will click this icon to add your section. After that, you will have untitled section. This is the place to change your title. If, for example, I want to change the question become continuous question. Okay. After you change the title, you can do add question. How do we add question? You may click this icon and then you will do with the previous step. You type the question and then you choose the answer that you want. For example, my next question is why do you late join Gmail? Because I want to know the answer, so I will choose paragraph. So later the respondent can type their answer, their reason here. And then as usual, to avoid the respondent skip the question, I will turn on the required. If you have finished typing your question and then you want to see how your list question look, you may go to preview. Do you see the symbol like eyes here? Okay, this is the icon of preview. So if you click preview, you will see how is your list question look like. Okay, and you also can try your Google form. Is it working or not? For example, do you like to lead join Gmeet? If your answer is yes, so it will be next. And then you will go to the continuous question. Why do you lead join Gmeet? You can answer here, for example, I have low signal. And then you will click submit. Okay. Now, how do we see the record? Okay. You can go back to your Google form. And then, do you see here the responses? Look, there is number 1 here. So it means there is one respondent that had already respond your survey. So you may click the responses. Then you will see the data had been displayed in graph. Okay, because this is the trial, so you can see directly. And then you can try by yourself. But how if I want to give this survey into other people? Okay, let's go to here. Do you see send here? Click the send. After that, click the icon of link like this. And then give checklist to shorten URL. And then you copy. Okay. And then you paste the link into the media that you want to share. For example, I want to share to my chat box in Google Meet. Okay. So I will put here the link that I had copied and then I enter. So you can fill in survey, my survey form. Okay. Do you follow me until here? Okay. If you already done, okay, if you have done, you can save the link. You can save your Google form by doing this. Look at here. Okay. Okay, so you can put the link in here. Okay, next, if you want to submit, don't forget to submit your Google form to the teachers. Okay, do you understand what you have to do next? Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this video can be useful for you to create your Google form. Thank you. Bye bye.